ask for the highest guidance to flow through me now, with whatever we need to experience or know on an individual or collective level right now. Blessed awakening tribe of Gaia, we come at this momentous 11:11 juncture, nearly 33 years in your Earth timeline since harmonic convergence, where what was seeded, what was accomplished was beyond the expectations of all star nations and higher dimensional galactic beings who oversee your progression and evolution. At harmonic convergence, there was a gathering together of your tribe on a scale not witnessed or experienced before, where you came together, the forerunners of the awakening tribe. You came together in order to pray for peace and to visualize peace. To visualize all nations conjoined, to visualize all people on Gaia living in peace, having manifested the ascension into fifth dimensional consciousness. It matters not, dear ones, whether you observe or understand the concept of ascension. You must simply recognize that there are waves and cycles that not only your planet but all universes are subject to. There is a cyclical nature throughout all creation, where there are waves of ascending frequency and opening of consciousness that produce awakened civilizations, advanced spiritual technology, and opening of consciousness in societies on global, cosmic, galactic, universal levels. And there are waves or epochs of descending consciousness, where the people of any civilization move into a forgetting of the light, a forgetting of the evolution which is always your one and only mission in existence: to progress, to evolve, to open your consciousness, and to move into an understanding of your true glorious natures as higher dimensional beings. And we come through Solara An-Ra and many other gifted channels at this time in order to announce that you are way beyond the quantum leap of 144,000 that was called for, in order to guarantee your success, in order to guarantee that the people of your planet are able to raise their consciousness, their frequency and awareness sufficiently to move with your blessed planet into fifth dimensional harmonic frequency. Many of you understand that this is the dawning of a new golden age. And in this new golden age, in whose energies you are already immersed, you are able to speak and communicate telepathically once more. You are able to manifest that which you desire out of the etheric realms of light into physical manifestation. And you are here in a physical plane in the third dimension in order to realize and remember these skills now, bringing your higher dimensional skills into 3D. We repeat yet again that ascension is not about leaving your planet and descending back into the realms of light. For this happens when you leave your body in what you would call death. And it is not your communal deaths that is required at this time. It is that you remember how to be light, how to express yourselves as light beings. That you remember your gifts, the gifts that have been yours in many other expressions, in other lives, and the gifts that are yours in simultaneous lifetimes. As your multiple higher selves are expressing themselves in many dimensions simultaneously. For many of you, this 11:11 juncture is one where a new, higher self aspect moves into your being, and we wish you to proclaim right now, I am ready. I am ready for the highest expression of myself to embody on Gaia now. I am ready for change. I embrace change. You have no idea, dear ones, how powerful these statements of intention are. You have no idea how you are able to shift your acceleration into the light through heartfelt intentions and affirmations such as this. For you must embrace change if you wish to embody the highest expression of yourselves, dear ones. There is no way to achieve this without surrendering to change, without allowing your higher self aspects and star soul families to assist you in moving upwards and onwards on your paths of evolution and your paths of awakening consciousness. Let go of fear about what will happen in your future timeline and simply affirm joyfully, I embrace change. I am ready and willing to express the highest version of myself in this lifetime, here and now. And so it is that you fully step into the power and the glory, the beauty and the enjoyment of your highest aspects, awakeners of the light tribe of Gaia, co-creators of the new earth based on love, kindness and cooperation. And there are tears of joy and goosebumps covering your flesh as you realize that you are truly stepping in to this momentum that you have awaited since 2012 and before, since 1987 and harmonic convergence. And of course you have moved through waves of joy and optimism, and out of these into disillusion and depression and low energy. And this is natural. They are natural waves, dear ones, as you move through periods of acceleration followed by dips in the wave, where you are meant to integrate the activations which you are receiving. When you move into one of these dips, dear ones, simply nurture yourselves, nourish yourselves. Put rose petals in your baths. Sing and dance in the rain. Walk barefoot in nature. Swim in your crystal clear oceans. Visualizing that all on your planet is healed. For your visualizations of a healed planet, of nature healed, of the air, the rivers, the earth healed of pollution, is part of what allows this to manifest on your planet. It is not only possible, but it is already manifest in your future timeline. And so we ask you to desist from talking about climate change, panicking and moving into fear about the lack of harmony, the lack of clarity and purity, about that which has been destroyed, and to assist us now in co-creating a planet that is crystal clear once more. For your efforts are needed in terms of visualization and holding a high, joyful, positive, optimistic, excited, emotional vibration. Look to the light, dear ones. Look to the light. Know that you are light. You are wisdom. You are truth and integrity. You are love embodied. And affirm, my one heart is activated now. And so it is, dear ones. And so it is, and we thank you so much for your service to Gaia and her tribe. We stream our love and gratitude into your beings. You are so beloved. We are in awe and respect and honor for you, awakening tribe, leaders of the tribe of Gaia, earth keepers. Namaste.